Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today we're going to be opening up So Susan cosmetic bags. The reason why I chose these bags is because I did kind of put up a poll, not really because I couldn't figure out how to do it, but I went ahead and I put up a discussion, and I also posted a short video asking anyone. I haven't got any responses, so this morning I just went ahead and grabbed whatever it is that I found in my closet this morning. A little bit about this company. This company is a smaller, mostly indie brand company, but mostly they have stuff from their own companies. Sometimes they have features from other companies, and it costs $20.95 a month. It is a subscription. You can buy 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. I did not buy the subscription. These are bags that you can buy that were their past month's bag that you can pick out and buy. They are double in price. However, every once in a while they do have sales. I got these on sale for 50% off, so I got it for the price if I was a subscriber. Okay, and let's go ahead and see what we got here. This is the first bag. I'm not sure, and I don't remember exactly which months these are from, but I do believe this is just from the past year. Look how cute this bag is, first of all, and just the material of it, it feels like high end, nice quality. And I forgot to mention that you normally get 4 makeup products in one bag. Okay, and wow. This is the bag inside. Okay, and here is the first thing I'm pulling out. It's Pong Cosmetics brand, and it's sophisticated eyeshadow palette. Look how cute that is. This is so colorful and fun. And it is cruelty free. That's another thing I do believe about this brand is a cruelty-free brand. I don't believe that they're vegan, at least not all of their things. Some of their things are, but I know they're all cruelty-free. This in particular thing is also vegan, hyperallergenic. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this looks like here. That is pretty. Okay, and then it has the laminate there with all the names on top of them with the colors. And I think it's a pretty palette. I mean, you got some neutrals and you have a couple pops of color in there. Let's see how they swatch. Oh, it feels really nice. Wow. The mattes are magnificent. I just swatched a couple of the colors for you here, and they all swatched pretty beautifully. There was one color that I feel like it caught a little bit, like you might have to fill it in, and that was just this green, this dark green right down here in the corner. But the other colors, perfect. They went on so easy. They felt so smooth going on the skin. And I'm not so sure about this Jelly Pong company, but another thing that interests me about the So Susan Cosmetics is that they claim to have like a scientific formula. They also have serums infused inside of their makeup, so that's pretty cool. Okay, the next thing is by Truffle Cosmetics, and it's a cream bar creamy matte lipstick. Doesn't say, is cream bar the shade maybe? And that's the box for that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open this up here. Oh, that's cute. It has a little ice cream cone on it. How fun. I love fun stuff. Whoa. Oh, I really like that. It's like a fuchsia pink. It's a fuchsia pink color. It's really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out here is Jelly Pong Cosmetics Cosmic Light in Pulsar shade. So let's see what this is. Oh, it's a pretty blue. I love blues. Blue is my favorite color, and this is a loose powder. They're always a little bit of a pain to get open, but I always appreciate when they put these extra seals on them so that when you open it, it's not as messy as whenever it doesn't have it. Okay, let's see what this color looks like. My fingers. I put it a little bit right down here on my hand, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. That is the color right there, and I think it's gorgeous. It looks like a blue pretty ice crystal to me. Absolutely love it. Okay, and let's see, the last thing in here is Truffle Cosmetics Lip Syrup High Shine Pigment Lip Stain. And let's see if it has a shade or anything on here. I'm not seeing it. Here is the packaging. Okay, and that is a pretty good, it has little gingerbread men and candy on it. How neat is that? Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and see. Man, I have lip product on. I wish I didn't right now. It's so pretty, and so much comes out with just a little bit, and I love that about lip products. See how pretty that is? Definitely excited. I think that was a pretty good first bag. I'm surprised I haven't heard more about this company or these products because these seem to be pretty good. I am so happy with this bag. And let's go ahead and see what's in the other bag and see if it's just as good as this one. Okay, and this is what the next bag looks like here. So pretty, yet again. Same nice quality. Okay, and we got something here in bubble wrap. I love when they do that. It's just extra love and attention that goes into the packaging to make sure that it gets to you okay. I like that. Okay, and that is what that looks like. It's a Blush and Glow Luminizing Blush. Okay, and this is what this looks like here. Let's go ahead and get it opened. Okay. And that is the color. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Yet again, it feels so soft going on the skin. And this is the color right here. You can see it a little bit. I like it. It's more like a peachy tone to me. It's really pretty. It went on very smooth. The net, oh, how cute is this? It has little kitty cats on it. It looks like a lipstick. This is So Susan Cosmetics. And it's called a lip pout. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what it looks like. I'm so excited because I already love the packaging. Oh, sweet. That is another super pink color, but I absolutely love it. Okay, and there it is right there. Very pretty color. Okay, and the next thing I got in here is from So Susan Cosmetics is Color Trip High Intensity Color Pigment. Okay, and it's color Passionate. This color I'm not too thrilled about, but you never know. It might be really pretty once on. Oh, it's like a bright orange. And it's a pretty color. It has some shimmer into it. You can't really see it on the camera, but it looks really pretty. I'm excited to try that. And my last thing in the bag is this. It's Jelly Pong Cosmetics Celestia eyeshadow and highlighting palette. Cool. I like how they seem to have palettes in every single one of them. For the price, that's pretty amazing. Okay, and it has little ballet slippers on the front. All of their packaging is just so adorable. Okay, so it says you can either use this as a highlight or as eyeshadow. Those are pretty colors. Okay, here are the colors right here. The first one, second one. Here are the colors right here. That is nice. I'm overall really happy with this subscription box, even though I don't have the subscription yet. Comment down below and let me know what everyone thinks of this company. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.